Welcome back to the channel, Automotive Vibes 07, where today we are diving into one of the most anticipated vehicles of the year, the 2025 Hummer H2. Known for its rugged design and unparalleled off-road capabilities, the Hummer H2 has been a symbol of toughness and luxury. Now, with a brand new 2025 model, GMC has taken it to the next level. Buckle up, because we're about to explore everything that makes this beast stand out on and off the road. Design and exterior, a modern monster. Let's start with the design, and boy, does the Hummer H2 2025 make an impression. The first thing you'll notice is its sheer size. This thing is massive, standing tall and wide, with a boxy structure that speaks of strength. The front fascia features a bold new grille design, with massive LED headlights flanking either side. The aggressive lines and muscular stance scream power, making it impossible for anyone not to take notice. What's new for 2025? The Hummer H2 now comes with a sleek, aerodynamic body that still retains its iconic rugged look. The bold wheel arches are larger, housing enormous 35-inch tires, perfect for off-road adventures. The integrated roof racks, underbody armor, and trail-ready features make it clear this truck is built for more than just driving around the city. Interior, luxury meets utility. Step inside the 2025 Hummer H2, and you'll find a cabin that seamlessly blends luxury with utility. The interior is as spacious as it is sophisticated. The driver-focused cockpit is equipped with a large 12-inch infotainment screen, supported by an intuitive interface. The layout is clean, and all the controls are within arm's reach, making it easy to operate even when you're tackling rough terrain. The seating is top-notch, with leather upholstery and ample space in both the front and rear seats. The H2 is designed to comfortably fit up to 5 people, with plenty of legroom and headroom for everyone. GMC has also included heated and ventilated seats for both the front and rear passengers, ensuring a comfortable ride no matter the temperature outside. The cargo space is another highlight. With the rear seats folded down, the H2 offers a massive trunk area, ready to carry all your gear for an adventure. Whether you're heading off for a weekend getaway or just need to haul equipment, the 2025 Hummer H2 has the room to accommodate it all. Power and performance, a beast under the hood? When it comes to performance, the 2025 Hummer H2 does not disappoint. This vehicle is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine that delivers an impressive 420 horsepower and 460 pounds-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth shifts and exceptional power delivery. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling steep mountain trails, the Hummer H2 offers a driving experience that's nothing short of exhilarating. The engine's torque and power allow you to take on any challenge, while the advanced suspension system keeps you in control at all times. The ride is firm yet comfortable, and despite its size, the Hummer H2 handles surprisingly well on both paved roads and rough terrain. For those who crave even more power, GMC also offers an upgraded 6.6-liter Duramax diesel engine. This powerhouse pushes the limits with 445 horsepower and 910 pounds-feet of torque, making it ideal for towing heavy loads or taking on more demanding off-road conditions. Off-road capabilities, a true trailblazer. Now, let's talk about the real magic of the 2025 Hummer H2, its off-road capabilities. This is where the Hummer H2 truly shines. And GMC has made sure that the 2025 model is even more capable than ever before. The H2 comes equipped with an advanced 4-wheel drive system, locking differentials, and hill descent control, all designed to make tough terrain feel like a walk in the park. The 2025 Hummer H2 also comes with adjustable air suspension, allowing you to raise the vehicle to clear obstacles or lower it for better highway handling. The suspension system is designed to absorb bumps and keep the ride smooth even when you're navigating rocky trails or uneven surfaces. With a class-leading ground clearance of over 12 inches and approach and departure angles of 37 and 30 degrees, the H2 is ready to tackle whatever the trail throws at it. Add in the reinforced underbody protection, and you have a truck that's more than capable of handling the roughest environments with ease. Technology, smart and safe. The 2025 Hummer H2 comes packed with a suite of advanced tech features. The standard 12-inch touchscreen is paired with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to connect your smartphone with ease. The navigation system is also top-notch, providing real-time traffic updates and off-road trail maps, ensuring you're always on the right path. Safety features are also a priority in the Hummer H2. Standard equipment includes automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control, all designed to keep you safe on the road. The H2 also offers a 360-degree camera system, giving you a bird's-eye view of your surroundings, a must-have when maneuvering such a large vehicle in tight spaces or on challenging terrain. Towing and payload, built for the heavy lifting. When it comes to towing, the Hummer H2 is a true workhorse. The base model can tow up to 8,000 pounds, while the upgraded diesel version can handle up to 10,000 pounds. Whether you're hauling a camper, boat, or a heavy trailer, the Hummer H2 has the muscle to get the job done. Its payload capacity is equally impressive, offering more than enough space and strength to carry everything you need for your next adventure. Whether you're loading up tools for a job site or packing camping gear, the H2's bed can handle it all. Fuel efficiency, not bad for a beast. While the Hummer H2 is all about power and performance, it's also surprisingly efficient for a vehicle of its size. The standard 6.2-liter V8 engine offers a fuel economy of around 16 miles per gallon on the highway, while the Duramax diesel engine is slightly better, offering 18 miles per gallon. It's not exactly an economy car, but considering the size and capability of the Hummer H2, these numbers are quite reasonable. Pricing and verdict, worth the investment? The 2025 Hummer H2 starts at around $85,000 for the base model, with fully loaded versions pushing past the $100,000 mark. While it's certainly not cheap, you're getting a premium, off-road ready vehicle that's packed with technology, power, and luxury. So, is the 2025 Hummer H2 worth the investment? If you're looking for a vehicle that can tackle any terrain while providing a comfortable, tech-laden driving experience, then absolutely. The Hummer H2 2025 is a perfect blend of power, luxury, and off-road prowess, a true modern-day icon. Final thoughts? In conclusion, the 2025 Hummer H2 is a bold statement in the world of trucks. It delivers exceptional performance both on and off the road, with a design that's impossible to ignore. Whether you're using it for daily driving, off-roading, or towing, the Hummer H2 is ready for it all. It's a truck that commands respect, and with its advanced features, it's clear that the Hummer name is far from fading. The 2025 Hummer H2 has redefined what an off-road truck can be. And for those who demand the best, this beast delivers on every front. And that wraps up our review of the 2025 Hummer H2. What do you think about this powerhouse of a truck? Would you take it for a spin, or does it not quite match your style? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss a new review or automotive news from Automoto Vibes 07. We've got more exciting content coming your way soon. Thanks for watching, and remember keep the vibes high and the engines roaring. See you in the next one.